Ready.
Albert Francis, City Inspector, Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. In 2024, we would have served over 1,000 public health and road nuisance notices on derelict vehicles and properties that are used for those kind of activities. Since the start of 2025, we have now served 162 notices to be exact to date. We have some troubled areas, Morton Park, Cassia Park, McKinley Crescent, and some other areas that will have every intention of carrying out public order drive to these locations. We are at Morton Park today, and we have seen where a two-way road have been reduced to one way because you have garage operators that have taken over not only the sidewalk but a total lane for themselves. We have successfully removed all vehicles from the roadway today, and we'll be going to other areas throughout the municipality to clear these roads. But listen now, the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, we don't have storage areas. So if operators want to continue to operate on the roadway and sidewalk, note, when we remove the vehicles, we are taking them directly to Riverton City. So do not come to KSAMC and ask for your vehicles. We are removing them and we are taking them to the dump. If it is that you don't want your vehicles to end up at the dump, cease and desist your operations from the government roadway and sidewalk, because we are serious to maintain public order.
And of course, these are derelict vehicles you're talking about.
Derelict vehicles and vehicles that these operators are working on. We don't have storage area and we are taking them to the dump.
Tell us about this specific operation this morning at this location.
The Morton Park, we have served over 4 sets of encroachment notices at this one location. Not only that, we have been here and we have been warning, because the truth is we have limited resources. So if we don't have to come and remove, that is our first option, not to move. So to use moral suasion, that is not working. It is not working with these operators. They continue to turn a blind eye to the notices. They continue to turn a blind eye to the warnings. As a matter of fact, they have been very disrespectful to the officers when they come out. So guess what? We are no longer using moral suasion. We are removing your vehicles and we are taking them to the dump.
This particular garage though, what has the owner been saying as to why he hasn't moved the vehicles?
Well, I have not had dialogue with him because he's not rational. You know, expletives and all, and we're not here. The truth is, at this particular location, we would have, as I said before, served several notices, and we would have tried to have dialogue with this particular operator to no avail. This operation that we have carried out today, we have, as I said before, we have removed vehicles, but I am going to have a discussion with our legal team to see how we can literally at this point take legal actions, because we don't have the resources to always be coming at the same location.
In terms of the debris that is left behind after removing these vehicles, how impactful it is on the environment?
Well, there are a lot of debris, not only on the sidewalk, but even in some of the homes. And this is where we continue to partner with the public health and solid waste, because we will be serving this week several public health notices to residents that garage operation is now taking place in the yard, because you know that is now a change of use of premises. So several notices will be served on operators that are operating on properties. You would have an appreciation of the condition of the roadway once we remove these derelicts. You know, the rodent infestation, the oil, the engine, and other paraphernalia that are left on the sidewalk. And I must commend the public health department and Solid Waste for their continuous partnership with us in this public health drive and enforcement drive that Kingston St. Andrew Municipal Corporation is on, because it is a lot that is out here to be done.